What that shit do, y'all? Alright, check me out. Love ain't blind. Both of love's eyes are uncircumcised. Converted lies exemplifying the fact that love is blind. Yet love clearly sees. You just can't clearly see that or love. Love appears to be captivating, framed as the capturer. Equating lovers to love, running after her, trying to capture her instead of asking her. Out with her friends, masking her identity. I've been for free if it meant my vulnerability wasn't jeopardized. Abort the mission. They contorted wisdom to play victim in this unfortunate system. My fortune is missing from the vault. The reason why the real jewels reside in my word bank and not the world bank, I ain't got nobody but the world to thank for this derisive, dismissive condition that forced us to feed our minds only what they cooking in their kitchen. While they cooking, they spitting, vanity and insanity expanding to me, programmed for insatiable defeat. And you never know where your mentality gonna be stationed this week. Love is a patient entity, endlessly rescuing me, cause I don't own my own mindset like it's rented to me. I want to be patient and kind. I'm tired of boasting. I should be focusing on utmost things. But it's hard for me to trust most things. But understand this. One ought not lust for the love of gold. Because envy resides unheavenly in the belly of a monster that dwells in the physical and spiritual sense of your eye. Everyone needs help, so don't be shy. Don't be afraid to find that guy. But me, I'm done seeking myself. I'm seeking love. The proud to only be surrounded by their own fantasies, scamming me to act out of nature rude. My idea of desire has been misconstrued after being skewed and served as food in the uninhabitable, with merely a new coat of paint thinking this is going to keep your thoughts warm by looking new. I'm booking a flight within Mercury, and my memories releasing every recorded wrong captivated by my vengeance. Then releasing Prize Cage as well, as it delights in evil, embracing people with arms that feel comforting until the arm's hair start attaching to your cerebral with a new voice. I'm a rejoice in truth as a choice to support my boost. I protect it. No need to inspect it because I trust love. And hope it stays true to a true definition because it's hard work no matter how simple or severe. Because I know it's true love. And no matter what, it will persevere. I'm in love with love. So I give love all my love. It's hard not to mind love, but I can't get you off my mind, love. It's rough. That's why you gotta define love. And to find love has a heart not beating, revive love.